Hello my friends, I'm Oliver from Token Hobby. Let's unbox one most cool crane from JX model. It is for 1 to 14 scale truck. Let's see how is it. So I already prepared this one ready. Small parts already assembled. I will show you how to do it. So first, these two are oil tank. It is running together with the hose connecting to each other. So these two are the filling port, filling each one around 70 minimum liter. After fill up, here, open this port, this cover. Here are the pump and the ESC and the power switch. Also this one power switch for the ESC. Okay, let's put battery. So this one it is for the pump. Connect it. And open this cover. This side that's the receiver and also for the 7-channel distribution valve. Now power on from here. So power on. Also this ESC already powered on. Here this side that's for the ESC for the spinning the crane and the power on for the receiver. Here all powered, also power on. Now we can start it. So before moving this crane, be careful not to touch it, not to turn it. If you turn it, it will touch front side or rear side. It will scratch the paint here. So here under the cover have two cooler, the fan, two fan blowing air inside for cooling this distribution valve and ESC. Close it. And here on top of the ESC also have a fan for cooling, blowing air down. And the rear, this side at the front, these two, also two cooler. These two fan with cooler for cooling the oil. Okay, start the pump. Pressure gauge, it is around 4 bar. First, raise the big arm and be careful not to touch it anywhere. Yeah, you see, at this angle, so we will have to take out this standing leg, so keep the balance. Now we have to turn in this one. So to keep the balance, turn into rear side. Okay, so we can operate extending the legs. See, the legs now are coming out. Because the resistance for each leg, the arm, not the same, but it's one cylinder, one distribution valve, different cylinder, yeah, but one valve, so it's not coming out same time. So which one have less resistance will coming out first. When taking back, same, yeah. Not moving same time. Okay, extending it out. After the arm out, then you operate the standing leg vertically down. So for this standing leg support this plate to be connected, only push with power. This round knob, this round head, push inside. This have paint, so have to push with power to get stuck inside. Okay, now we start pump to put the standing leg down. This wood, it is higher than normally, so now it's not touching the table but can keep the balance here. Okay, this front small arm was assembled by me, so in the package it is separated. This only push into this end, and here have a screw, long screw with nut. It is like this. To secure inside have a hole, push inside to secure the pin. And for this 4 holes for the hydraulic oil with mark, this one inside here is number 1. This is number 1. Okay, this hose is number 2 to this connection. In the middle, this one it is number 3. On top, this one number 4. So it's quick connection. Just push in. Careful, it's locked, yeah, otherwise when pressure coming, will burst out oil. It is locked tight. Okay, good. Let's move the front small arm to lift it up. Wait, check it out. This one already, this hook wires already is tight. I need to lose by this winch. The small radio for controlling the winch, but the board, it is at this side secured by this magnet cover. So remove this cover. You will see here I have a small battery for it is 2S battery around 7-8 voltage. But this battery I have, it is too big, cannot put inside. That I need to order a small battery to push inside the cover, like 1/30 of this size. So now we will just connect and test running it. Be careful with positive and negative. Never put it around, otherwise burn the board. Okay, so now we can operate. Down, it is lose the wire. Also here I have power switch here. If you switch it off, no operation. Need to power it on and lose the wire. The winch here. Okay, now we can continue. Here you see we got two pulley, one here, also one front. These two pulleys just assemble with this small screw and nut to secure inside this hole. Then running through these wires, go inside through, and then connect this hook. It will be ready. Also at the front, here we got one manual, two more section arm. So after you remove this nut, it will be more longer. These two, that's the extension manual, the arm. So push inside, then lock this from this hole, and this also push inside, lock with screw. Raise the little big arm to the top, middle arm to the top. Yeah, it's very high. Also, the front arm rising to the top. It's already coming vertical. Yeah. Okay, we will keep it down. Tending out. First, the middle arm extension out. How many sections it have? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cylinder here. It is all controlled by one distribution valve. All the oil coming to connect it one by one. Okay, my mistake. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 sections and 8 cylinder for the middle arm. So now we will extend this front small arm. Reach out. And be careful, must drop these winch wires, yeah, not get the wires and the winch pulling, get broken. This crane is very long, it's like a fishing tool. For the front small arm, 1, 2, 3 cylinder, 3 hydraulic section and 2 manual section, totally 5 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. And the last one, it is the holding. That's how long is the arm. Well, turning it. Later when with the truck will be more cool. Now only I can hold and balance it. Yeah, also let's drop it, all the wires out. So at the end, all the arm reach out from the manual says can lift up 300 grams. But if you withdraw back, the arm will pick up more weight. So these two batteries around 300 grams, all the arms out, including the manual arm. Let's operate it. So the big arm, drop it. Up. The middle arm the cylinder, it is smaller, not enough pressure to lift up. It's moving only very, very slowly, so maybe need to increase pump load to operate middle arm to rising up. But for the front arm, drop, up, yeah, power enough, pressure enough. And for the crane, drop it down, up. So now spinning it, it will, because the legs not touching, will shaking a little bit. Turn it. So here, this one, it is the Bluetooth board for connecting with the truck light system. So operating together with the truck light, and to switch on this to light from the arm. So later when we receive the truck, we will operate it to show you again. At the front, this arm on there have two more these holdings position for LED light, but it is not connected with LED light. If you have wires and LED lights, you can upgrade and put lights there. So when finish operating, first take all the arm back, and so also the middle arm, front arm all turning back and sit at this vertical angle with the girder, and then drop it down. So not to scratch with the cover. And for the standing leg, first vertically withdraw it back, then horizontally the arm withdraw it back. That's the sequence. Okay, later when I will receive the truck, it's driven, and we'll install this crane on the truck. We will show you again. Thank you for watching. See you again.